Okay guys, welcome to MK Bros, and today we're going to be doing a tin opening, and we're going to be doing 2 more videos, Fortnite and football. Here we've got the hat with all the players in, and make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button. And let's get to that 2,000 subscribers. No, 2 million. 2 million. Hayden, if we got 1 million, then we would have got a 1 million button. Okay, I've got my tin open. Yeah. I have. Look at my tins. Get straight into Silver Limited Edition Sane, my first player. I'm not going to say it until last. We say stats. No, we don't. So, Sane. Obviously. Sane. I got Jimenez. Just making sure they're all the right way, guys. I got Man's Dog Manji. No, that's not Man's Dog Manji. I can't spell his name. Bruno. Yeah, call him Bruno. Danny Ward. I got Hog. Justin Hog. Van Larpa. Tom Kings. Yoshida. I got Sa. Siri. Fred Kicks. Baski. Femina. Got Leno. Not crack. Got Henson. Got Guta. Come on. I've got Christian. I've got Welbeck. I've got Shane Long. He's got long legs. You've got Viral Dare. Antonio Valencia. Walcott. Laporte. Christian Fuchs. Creswell. Fernandinho. Rashford. Dembele. Sadio Mane. The Marchster. Patricio. Murphy. Wilshere. Scott Dan. Charlie Austin. Whoa. Vertonghen. Francis. Swarovski. James Togoski. Jeff Hendrick. Moy. Leicester Badge. Premier League season 13. Highest finish first. All-time goal scorer. Jamie Vardy 62. All-time top appearances. Muzzy Izzet 222. All-time top assists. Steve Jappy 34. Biggest win 5-1 Queen Park Rangers. Ashley Young. Company. Bellerin. Morgan. Carr. Ward. McDonald. Bonatti. Andre Gomez. Andre Gray. Bernardo. Okazaki. Saki. Barnes. Evans. Van Anholt. Slank.
Carl Walker.
AK.
Rohan.
Debate.
Rohan.
Pickford.
Wan-Bissaka.
Newcastle badge. Premier League season 24. High finish second. All-time top goal scorer Alan Shearer. All-time top appearances Shay Given. 354. All-time top assists Robert Solano. 54. Biggest win 8-0. Sheffield Wednesday.
I've got David De Gea, fan favourite. Decent.
Arsenal badge.
Got Rice, Rising Star.
Got Heung-min Son.
Got Kendi.
Got Joe's.
Rooney, Pear.
So I got Adrian Silva.
Got Harry Maguire. Richarlison. Ruben Neves. Kevin De Bruyne. Cardiff City. Burnley. Huddersfield. Perez. Zahora. Javier Hernandez, man of the match.
So my best card.
Best card.
Gold limited edition. Yes. 94. Attack. Leroy. Sane. Mason got the silver limited edition. You can see right there. And let me tell you his stacks. He has one stack lower than this one because it's gold limited edition silver. The bronze one will have two lower than this and one lower than that. So let me tell you Leroy Sané's gold limited edition stacks. 80 pass, 92 skill, 81 shot, 69 strength, 44 tackle, 95 pace. 94 pace.
So, favourite players, I got Kevin De Bruyne, I got Leroy Sané, I got David De Gea, I got Ruben Neves, I got Eno, you got Elbeck, I got Port, I got Bellerin, but I don't need him. The max is 5 because this is a tin opening. So,
I got Heung-min Son.
Martial.
Oopsie, I picked way more than 5.
Ruben Neves.
I picked 7.
David De Gea. Leroy Sané. Kevin De Bruyne, and that's it.
I got Leroy Sané.
And Andre Silva, that was my last.
Kyle Walker. Leno. Laporte. Company. Bellerin. Heung-min Son. Moy. Walker. Leno. Laporte. Company. Heung-min Son. Moy. And Walker.
And Caden saying Andre Silva's rubbish when he got 95 pass, 81 skill, 75 shot, 72 strength, 78 tackle and 69 pace. That's sick.
Let me see. You're a liar. He has 93 pass. Liar. You said 95.
No, I didn't.
95.
Put in the comments if I said 95. Okay guys, make sure you like and subscribe.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. And tomorrow we're going to be doing another video, a Fortnite one, and a football one.
I haven't done football in a long time.
I haven't done a Fortnite one. He done all the Fortnite.
I done one Fortnite.
Without no bar. 2 Fortnite.
Peace.